Yaufey commercial dehumidifier removes up to 155 pints of moisture from the air per day. This large-capacity dehumidifier works well for large rooms up to 7,500 square feet, like a warehouse, basement, garage, cellar, small factory, etc. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Washable Filter. Yaufey commercial dehumidifier comes with a washable filter that removes dust particles from the air to protect the internal components from damage. It's easy to maintain such a washable filter that only needs to be cleaned once a month. Number 2. Master of Portability. With 4 universal casters and 2 built-in handles, you can move the portable dehumidifier easily in your area. Number 3. Auto on-off timer. Program the 24-hour on-off timer for powerful dehumidification and superior energy saving. Our 155 pints dehumidifier helps you get rid of the moisture effectively. Number 4. Intelligent Dehumidification. Built-in humidity and temperature sensor to smartly sense room humidity and maintain room humidity in your ideal moisture setting. Program the 24-hour on-off timer for worry-free dehumidification and superior energy saving. Number 5. Easy mobility and maintenance. With 4 universal casters and 2 built-in handles, you can move the portable dehumidifier easily in your area. Please clean the air filter regularly to help your machine work efficiently and prevent air quality issues. Number 6. Reliable dehumidifier. Yaufey 155 pints commercial dehumidifier comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How to put it on continuous mode? Answer. Plug the drain pipe into the dehumidifier to drain water continuously. If the drain pipe is not plugged in, the water flows directly into the water tank. When the water tank is full, you need to pour the water manually. Question number 2. Is it good to use in a crawl space? Answer. Item dimensions: 13.58 by 13.58 by 24.21 inches. Yaufey powerful commercial dehumidifier removes up to 155 pints of moisture from the air per day. This large capacity dehumidifier works well for crawl space, too. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.